morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
What day is it?
Saturday?
No, it's not even Saturday.
What day is
It's Sunday.
Sunday.
But what day is it really?
I don't know.
Your birthday. You're 25, you're old now.
I'm so old. My life's over.
You're halfway to 50. Woohoo!
Oh my god. Half my life is gone.
People don't live till they're 50.
Yeah, no,
People
but
live-
after 50, your life's done anyway.
Oh.
What do you do after 50? Nothing.
I mean, 50's
Half my life's gone.
not that old.
Yeah, but all the boring stuff happens after 50.
Oh, come on.
It's true, nothing exciting happens over 50.
Yeah, when you turn 100, you get a letter from the Queen. That's exciting.
I don't want to live to 100.
Aw.
Sorry to everybody that's over 50 years old watching this. But you know it's true.
Aw.
No, I'm joking. What's happening now?
It's your birthday,
Yeah.
so we'll celebrate.
It's my birthday in isolation. We're in stage 4 lockdown, so no family's allowed to come visit. And I'm not even allowed to leave the house.
It's sad but kind of cool. We thought we'd film your birthday. We had our anniversary in hotel quarantine, so we filmed that for memories, and now we'll film your birthday.
Wow, what a shitty year.
I know, but like, oh my god, we'll look back on it and be like, wow, remember when we couldn't leave the house?
Oh my god.
So that'll be fun.
What's happening? You have a whole thing planned for
I
me
have
today.
some surprises planned.
Oh wow.
Because it's your birthday, and I know we're in ISO, but you still gotta celebrate.
Okay, what's the surprise?
You want some presents?
Yeah, should I open some presents?
Yeah.
Okay.
But wait, does my mouth look gross? I have really bad dermatitis and I'm wearing zinc cream. Just ignore it, everybody. Firstly, do you want to open this one that my mum got you?
Yes. Alright, let's see what she got me.
So this is from my mum.
Oh.
She has appropriate wrapping paper. Wait till you see my wrapping paper.
It says happy birthday on it. Oh, I wonder what it is. I think it's a skirt.
A skirt?
Yeah, it looks like a skirt.
A skirt? Why would it be a skirt?
Oh, why wouldn't it be a skirt? Wow, man.
Oh.
Extra fine merino. Whoa, what, dude? Extra fine merino? It's a
Turtleneck.
It's a turtleneck. I've been wanting a turtleneck. How did she know? Did she read my mind?
Maybe.
Or did you tell her?
Maybe I told her.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
There we go.
Oh, I look like Steve Jobs now. So thank you very much. I love it. I look sophisticated.
Oh yeah.
Usually I look like a bum. First present. Thank you very much, Nikita's mother. What's the next one?
The rest is from me. Oh, and by the way, my wrapping paper is Santa.
Is it a chocolate bar?
Oh wait, I have a card.
Oh, you
Okay,
have a
sorry.
card?
Sorry.
I know Nikita's gonna give me a long, heartfelt message.
Maybe.
It's a doggy. He looks so human-like.
Well, he's got the bow tie.
Look at his eyes and that. He looks like a human looking at me. Whoa, it's a long message, everybody. Oh, it is a chocolate bar.
Chocolate.
Whoa. Whoa, I'm gonna save this and eat it later for dessert. Wow.
You like it?
And I thought it was a chocolate bar.
Oh, would you rather a chocolate?
No, I want that. I have more presents. Okay, you guys ready?
Do you know what it is? Can you guess?
It's like a long sausage. Should I be opening this on camera?
Yeah, it's fine. What?
I'm just joking. Maybe it's a torch, like a flash torch, a flashlight.
Why would I get you a torch?
I don't know. Maybe I've been wanting to go camping. The mini tripod. Oh my god! Now I can hold the camera. Oh! I need it right now.
It's so hard to buy you presents.
Why?
Because we live on the road, so like I don't want to get something that you're not going to be able to take with us.
Oh, thank
You know?
you very much. That was lovely.
Well, actually, the next present you probably won't take with us.
There's another present. You got me
Wow.
3 presents. Whoa, what is this?
Guess what it is. Try and guess.
Can I feel it first?
Yeah, feel it.
Oh, there's like a soft part and a hard part. What is this? Is it a cake?
A cake? No.
I feel like circly bits.
circle-y bits.
Like grip. Like grip.
Oh.
Is it shoes?
I don't know.
Slippers.
It's slippers?
It's sandals.
Sandals? What kind of sandals?
She got me sandals.
Sandals?
Oh, they're slip. What the heck? She got me slippers. Oh, look at that. Oh, is there any more presents?
There's no more presents, but there's still surprises for later.
I'm going back to sleep. No, I'm joking. Thank you so much for the presents.
That's okay. I hope you like them.
Oh, I love them.
It was so hard. And then you know why else it's really hard? Because if you get something really extravagant, he will look past the fact that you got something nice and just think, oh my god, why'd you spend all this money on me? That's how you are.
Well, you spent a lot of money on me. I don't know why you
I
bought
know.
3 presents.
Oh my god, I wanted to get more, but I just knew you'd probably get mad if I bought you so many things.
Oh, thank you so much.
That's okay. I hope you like them.
I love them.
You want to try your slippers on?
Sure. Oh,
How are they?
they're so comfortable.
And your jumper?
Oh, look at me. I could jog in these, I reckon.
These slippers are premium slippers.
Take them out for a jog.
Yeah. Oh my god, they're so adorable. And also, for your birthday, you get to pick what's for dinner. As long as it's in a 5-kilometer radius.
Oh yeah, we can only leave our house within a 5-kilometer radius. Yay! Woo-hoo. Oh wow, what a crazy day. Best birthday ever.
If you actually have been following us, we left for Italy in March. And we just realized, like, next month we would have finished our 6-month Europe trip that ended up lasting only 3 weeks. So we would be somewhere in Europe right now for your birthday.
I should be in Europe.
We should be in Europe. We should be somewhere nice in Europe right now, but we're stuck in the house. We can't leave. You can only leave for 1 hour a day.
For exercise. I don't like
Exercise,
exercising.
Yeah. And it's winter here, cold and rainy, when it would be summer in Europe.
I'm only allowed to leave my house for 1 hour to do something I don't like doing.
Yeah.
And I'm so old. I'm gonna read Nikita's beautiful card for me. It says here, 2020.
Ooh, wait.
Why'd you write that for?
Because I was just going to write 2020 to remember the year, but then I was like, no, 2020.
Happy ISO birthday. Happy 25th birthday. Welcome to the old club. He. Enjoy your birthday this year. It will sure be one to remember. This card will be a nice little time capsule in years to come. We survived 2020. Woo! And all you got was this lousy card. Have a great 25th year of life, you old fart. Aww.
That's okay. I hope you enjoy it all.
I did.
Oh, and you know what, guys? My dermatitis makes my lips really dry, and I can't even kiss you.
Yeah, she has dermatitis on her lips. Like, it's so bad that it keeps her up at night.
It's slowly getting better. I can open my mouth. When I wake up, my mouth is literally glued shut. I had to type happy birthday to Daniel this morning.
Aww.
Was that depressing?
No.
It was really depressing for me.
Oh, it's okay. It's all good.
Yeah.
Something different.
Yeah. What? I'm finally shut up for once?
No,
Is
it's
that
something
what it is?
different. It's alright.
Okay, let's enjoy our day and then we'll see you later for some surprises. So, we are starting a little birthday activity. Can you tell what it is? It's a birthday puzzle.
Yay.
It's not just any puzzle. It's a Where's Wally puzzle. Look how hard this is going to be. 1,000 pieces, but it's like a 2-in-1 because once you finish the puzzle, then you can find Wally.
Yay.
So Daniel's gone to get the pizza. I put an order in Uber Eats to get some nice little mini cheesecakes and donuts. And then, like I mentioned earlier, you can't really get much for him because he'll kind of look past the whole thought and just be like, oh my god, why'd you spend that much money on me? Yeah, he saw the notification come in through my bank that I spent money on Uber Eats and he's like, did you already order the pizza? I was like, no. He's like, is it cake? I was like, maybe. He's like, don't spend that much on cake. So he made me cancel my Uber Eats order of freaking birthday cake. And now I'm stuck with these. Look at this. I freaking went out of my way to get a 2 intend to get 5 and then these candles. Like, these are made for cakes. I'm like, okay, I'll just stick the candles in the pizza. But like, you can't stick this in a pizza. I don't know what to do. Like, what the hell? This is a waste of freaking candles. You're only 25 once. I can't just use it for next year. Look at this sad Uber Eats order. 1 birthday box. Order cancelled. Bloody Daniel. He's back. Time to get the pizza. What she got there? You look like a pizza delivery guy with that hat on.
Got a couple pizzas.
Only 1 candle would work on the pizza. Do you want to see what else I had, but you made me cancel my order?
What?
I had a 2.
Oh.
And I had the other half.
Oh no.
A 5.
Oh, what the hell?
Now, you only turned 25 once, so I don't know when we're going to use them.
When I turn 52.
Oh, okay, I'll save it for when you turn 52.
Can I eat or what, man?
Yeah.
This is my favorite pizza.
Oh no, you have to blow out your candle. Yay! Okay, yeah, this is actually one of our favorite pizzas.
Come on, come on.
Yeah, go.
It's prosciutto, pear, fig, and gorgonzola, I believe.
And walnuts.
And walnuts. Mmm. Who even eats pizza with a knife and fork anyway?
My lips hurt too much, I have to.
Whatever,
I don't normally,
dude.
don't judge me, I don't want to be this kind of person, but I have to.
Alright everybody, this is just a very short video of my very uneventful 25th birthday in isolation. It was just to share with you guys and for a little memory capsule of ours because it's an interesting year. Very interesting year, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for watching the very short video.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And also, I'll leave you guys with a nice montage of Daniel playing games online with his friends.
What?
I'm putting in the secret camera I filmed you on. It's funny. Bye.
Come here, boy! Oh no! Oh no! Operator, see you later. Operator, see you later. Operator, see you later. Operator, goodbye. Oh, oh no! Oh, you guys are scary, man. Oh, go away, bitch! Get out of here! You fucking bitch! I'll fuck your ass, man. Not today, bro. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Oh no, Nikita's filming me. Thank you very much for joining us, everybody. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and then watch this video next for 25 years of good luck.